been driving for like 2 hours now. There was so much traffic leaving New York, but now we're gonna go to a diner.
So excited.
Yes. We got our fuel.
So yummy.
Yes, take a little sip. Take a sip. Yeah, cute. Okay, I got an iced coffee. Our waiter cracks me the fuck up. Breakfast.
At lunch. I got sunny side up eggs, sausage, hash browns, and toast. White toast.
White toast, not bread. Okay, so the reason we laughed at this was because the waiter was like, what kind of toast would you like? And I said, oh, white bread. And then he was like, white bread? You want me to bring out like a slice of Wonder Bread? And I was like, no, like white bread toast. And he was like, okay. And it was just really awkward and weird, but it was kind of funny.
Not bread.
I got the same thing, but scrambled eggs. And yeah, these sausages look a little like...
They look like veggie. Veggie sausages.
I'm driving now. It's my turn. And I haven't driven in months, but should be fine. Guys, we're in our Airbnb and it is so nice. Okay. This is the bedroom. It's the outside that's like, look at this. What? And there's a balcony, fireplace, the view. Oh yeah, you can see the water actually.
No, I know. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah.
Ours for 2 nights. So it's like 5:30 now and it's already getting semi-dark outside, if you see that. So we're getting ready really quickly and just going to see the beach and the lighthouse. I am wearing this Aritzia sweater. I'm obsessed. I'm just wearing it as a shirt. And then these like dark wash jeans. Dark wash jeans that I thrifted. Just my New Balance shoes. Wait, let me... These puppies. Dad shoes. So yeah, that's the fit. It's so quiet here, you could hear the crickets. Do you hear it? So it says the beach is closed, but we decided to come in anyway because it's really cute, and it is. Are these beachfront? Oh, are these beachfront like apartments? This is so cute. I love this. It's so cold, but it is very pretty, and I really miss the beach. It reminds me a lot of San Francisco because it's gray skies, cold, like 55 degrees, but I really enjoy it. And it's giving me Big Little Lie vibes. This is just really cute, and I see so many old couples that are growing old in Rhode Island together, and it's just like, wow, it's just so cute. And I want my parents to move here and grow old together here. Look at here. My hair. But we went here for the lighthouse. because I'm super cold and this is literally like my shirt. But Ness is outside getting content because it looks really cool with the light hitting the ocean. And there she is. Yes! Content, baby, content. We both live in New York City and we have never seen something this empty and creepy. It's like desolate.
Yeah, like there's no people.
It's just the suburbs. We're like bugging. Hi guys, so we're trying to go to the cliff walk right now and there's a marathon happening right on it. So I don't know where to park, I don't know where to go, but this is a very lovely place to run, as you can see. Hi guys, so we're finally in Newport. And the trials and tribulations we endured on our way here is it's unexplainable. First, we drive across the bridge in hopes to go to Cliff Walk, which is like the walk around all the mansions and everything. And then there's a marathon, like a fucking marathon. All the roads are closed and like they're all running there. So then we're like, okay, turn around, let's go get coffee at this area. We go around, I take the wrong exit, we cross over the bridge, which you have to pay to leave a city. Yeah. Which is like weird. And then we turn around again to go across the bridge back to Newport, and I'm like begging this guy, I'm like, yo, we just crossed over, we took the wrong direction. And he's like, no, you still have to pay. So we paid, and now we're here. But we're gonna have a good time. We are. Once we have our coffee, we're gonna have a good time. Yeah, let's go. So we're at this, look at Ness's new hat. Yeah, so we're in this area that's like all these little stores and we're gonna get coffee. We're out here walking. Look at the cute dark green aesthetic. We're going to this coffee place called Coffee Grinder. We're at this coffee shop. You guys saw it. It's so cute. But guess how much our coffee was, guys? Our coffee was $19. But it's really good coffee, so I'm not mad about it, but yep. Took a detour now. I got a hat. So cute. It's cute. I love it. So we are currently on the cliff walk. And we're next to all these like huge mansions, and this one's Chandler. This is where I want to take pictures later on this trip when the weather is a little better, because currently it's windy and the ocean is purple for some reason. So yeah, look at these staircases to Chandler. Cute. Oh my god. Come here. Still walking. Okay, we're gonna go through this little tunnel thing. That's so cute. They're playing. now we're at this university, which is like at this huge tourist attraction, which is quite interesting. But yeah. Okay. By this giant thing. So me and Nuss are at lunch at Pasta Beach, and it's so cute and aesthetic. Look how cute. It's kind of empty outside, but it's really warm because we're by the fire. And we got burrata toast before the pasta. Cute. Cute. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Taste test. How's it? So we're back by the water and it's raining. But Ness says we're protected. Yeah. There's people. Yeah, yeah, look at it, it's so cute. Look at that. What is that? A bullet? No, it's not an anchor. An anchor? Look at it, it's so cute. We're watching Gilmore Girls. This is my first time watching, and it's very fitting to this rainy day. Oh, my hair looks so gross. This rainy day Rhode Island vibe. It's raining. Yeah. Good morning, friends. So it's Monday morning. I'm still in Rhode Island and it is 7 o'clock, and I thought I would just go on a little run because I know when we're driving back I am having no physical activity, so I need to move my legs this morning. And what better place than to run than a nice Rhode Island suburban neighborhood by the water. So pretty, and yeah, let's go. So right now we're getting ready to leave the Airbnb. We're both dressed up because we're gonna go to the Breakers mansion, do a little mansion tour, take cute pics, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Super duper cute. We're at the Breakers mansion. Huge. go talk. We're at Savers in Connecticut because we wanted to do a pit stop and thrift the bougie Connecticut vibe. So yeah, I'm still in this dress though. Okay, let's go. Got the goods. Guys, we're at this drive-thru called Goodies and they have so many things.
Can you give us 1 second? Sorry.